this is Renee from HIGHTOP Poultry Equipment. Now this is a Philippine poultry farm. When we enter the poultry farm, we needed to do the disinfection because we needed to avoid the cross infection. So here you see this is a personnel disinfection. So everyone want to enter the poultry farm, they needed to do the personnel disinfection. And for the physical, we also have a physical disinfection. So all the car needed to do the disinfection here. Then they can go inside the farm. This is the personnel disinfection. So everyone want to go inside of the poultry farm, they needed to do the disinfection here to avoid the cross infection. Hello, everyone. This is Renee from HIGHTOP Poultry Equipment. Now I'm in the Philippine farm. Here you can see we have 5 buildings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer chicken house. And each house raised about 20,000 layer chickens. And now the 4 and 5 are the new buildings just finished installation. So we come here to do the commissioning. So then let's go inside to have a look. Here is the control room, and this is the controller we use. We use monitor rotor chill. Here you can see the environmental data from the screen, like the ventilation levels and the temperature, the average temperature, and the set target temperature and humidity. Also, it is the cooling pipe working or not. And here you can write the chicken quantity this house and mortality, humidity, ventilations, and the pressures. You can see all the data from here. And also this can use a Wi-Fi to connect, and your phones can show these data. You can check these data on your phone. You just need to download a tripwire app. This is the second control component. It is at the back of the poultry house. So it can control the fans and manure cleaning system because these systems are at the back. Here is the automatic egg collection machine, and it is enclosed den, so it avoids the flies and dust go inside. Here, you can see here, this is the observation hall, and beside the observation hall, we also have a removable plate, so you can see the condition, the feed condition inside of the feeding machine. You can check here or inside here. This is removable. Also here, close. Here you can see there is a feed scale, so we can adjust the feed amount according to the chicken age. Also, the black rubber can remind the chickens the machine are coming, so they can take inside their hand. All of the metal parts we use, like the feeding machine, the feed trough, the frame, and the stand. All the material are the 275 zinc, aluminum, and magnesium material. The lifetime is over 15 to 20 years. This is the best material. And for the feed trough, we use 1 millimeter thickness feed trough. It is a V-shape feed trough, lower inside and higher outside, so the chicken feed won't spring outside. And for the cage material, it is 275 GSM zinc and 10% aluminum. It has a very good corrosion resistance, not easy rust, and the lifetime is over 15 to 20 years. For the thickness of the door, it is 5 millimeter thickness. And here, you can see here, there is a higher layer distance from the top weir to the manure belt, about 10 centimeter high. So it can avoid the chicken pecking on the manure, so they won't get sick and won't affect the egg laying rate. This is the back of the poultry house, and here it is the automatic manure cleaning system. Because this customer used the biogas system, so they didn't install the manure conveyor. So the manure directly dropped from the crab to the channel, and they will use the water, high pressure water, to clean it. So the manure will follow the channel, go to the biogas. And you need to clean the scraper every day. Here, there is a winch. When you open it, all the scrapers will open, and you workers can clean the manure here, each tier. Here is the egg warehouse, and you can see this is the egg conveyor. From each house, will connect the egg conveyor inside. Then connect the egg conveyor. It will transfer the egg to the egg warehouse. So let's go inside to see how the egg conveyor and how the egg grading machine working. This is the egg warehouse, and the customer will store some egg tray here, and this is the packaged eggs. And here, the egg conveyor will come this way. We connect two sets of egg grading machine here. It is 5,400 eggs per hour egg grader. So in the future, after this have been finished the installation, the worker no need to go inside of the poultry house. They just need to pack eggs here. The eggs will come here, and will the conveyor go to the two set of egg grading machine. And this is candling, so you can pick up the broken eggs. This is the grading. Egg warehouse, poultry house, and this side is the pig house, layer house. Okay, about the manure, how